Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one and this one. So now I will show you how to prove about this equation. The first one, I will consider the left side. On the left, we see that we have sin x over 1 minus cosine x. We have the formula in here. I want to create about a square minus b square for this one. So this is about a minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one, that is about 1 minus cosine x squared. Next, we have the second formula. So we put cosine x squared go to the right. And we have 1 minus cosine x squared equals to sin x squared. Now, I will put this one go in here. And now we need to simplify sin x. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We do common denominator for this one. So we put like this. So we know that this is about number 1. We know 1 over sin x, that is about cosecant of x. 1 over cosine x, that is about secant of x. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.